Stay on your topic. Comment, like, click, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. And what else? Welcome back. I welcome all to Kendra's Dirty Laundry. Kendra's Dirty Laundry. Like, click, share, and subscribe. And also, ring that bell. Ring that bell. My bell. Ring the bell for Kendra's Dirty Laundry. Anyways, the topic is for today is that building is becoming disgraceful, y'all. I mean, seriously. I would talk in front of the laundromat, but I don't want people to be all in my fucking business. I'm still trying to get used to being out in public doing this shit. Building is getting disgraceful. People don't respect anybody in the building. And also, years ago when I first moved to that building is nice, decent. You know, we never had people hanging out in the building or anything like that. They trying to change the trajectory of the whole damn building around. I mean, it's ridiculous. People all hanging in the building, doors being opened. It's a laundromat. I mean, it's not a laundromat. It's a building for you know what sakes. Why y'all treating it like that? I mean, we all gotta live here. We gotta be able to respect one another. Nobody respects nobody in that building. They're just doing too much. Sometimes I feel like I should just move out of that building, but I don't know really where else there is to go, because it's like when you try and go somewhere, everything is too expensive, and it's not like it's easy as it used to be. And then on top of it, there's just too much shit going on. Yep. And that's why I said that. And then that's about it. And also, I wanna also bring up the fact that people should, I don't know, sometimes I think people should stop subleasing, because you're subleasing to the wrong people. You know, you got people that don't respect anybody else but themselves, and they barely respect themselves. I mean, goodness. Throwing trash all over the damn building. Don't even live there. Only by proxy, and that's it. But other than that, no. I mean, it's getting ridiculous the way that building is. The building fucking got water bugs, termites, cockroaches, rats, mice, any little insect you could think of. That's what that damn building has. It's disgusting the way the building looks. Nobody doesn't care about the building. And I had to wait like 2 days for the management to plug up the goddamn wall. I don't want no fucking mice and shit and rats coming out of that bitch. But rats be living in the damn walls in that goddamn building. Fucking buildings they're going straight to hell, if you ask me. But then if I was to move, I think I'd move somewhere like down south somewhere. Because being down here, I don't know. Everything's just so damn expensive. You know, this bitch is stressing me out just living in this goddamn building that I live in. Nobody don't care about anybody else's property. You just disrespect it, throw shit all over the fucking floor and whatnot. And then they got this new thing where you gotta scan this QR code just so you can get some repairs done in the whole damn apartment. What kind of shit is that? Years ago, it was never like that. Computers and shit popping up. Computers just slow people down. You know, it's just a hot ass mess. Just being in the whole damn building itself. You know, if I could find somewhere much cheaper than where I'm living at now, trust me, I think I may do it from this point. Hold on. Listen to you having music, playing that music like he's supposed to be playing it. They don't want music to be playing. Whatever y'all do, I do not own the rights to that music. I don't know why is he playing it that loud. Like, he don't care about nobody but himself, if you ask me. And then on top of it, we're going to be jumping from topic to topic, and then I'll tell you which one I'm going to be coming up next. Okay? The topic that I'm going to be discussing now is being overwhelmed. That's my topic right now, okay? When I go, ever since I've been going to work these days, I don't know what it is. I have been feeling this overwhelming sensation where it's like, also y'all can leave a comment too on how do y'all how do y'all deal with being overwhelmed? I want to know. Y'all can tell me so maybe I can find ways to not be overwhelmed about going to work and being there for so many damn hours, you know? Because this is like the second damn time that I've done the whole damn 8 hours. I'm used to doing 4 hours. I don't know about 8 hours. 8 hours seem like it's a little bit too much for me, but I do it anyway because it's just the fact that I just want to be able to come out and get stuff, you know, go to work and be around people that where they want to communicate with me and all, you know. Yeah, so let me know how do y'all deal with that. I want to know as well, you know, so it could give me some hints on how I should deal with being overwhelmed in that damn wretched place that I work at. Being overwhelmed is just so annoying. It's like when I get there, I'll be like, come on, let's go. I want to get there and then I want to get out. I was just telling that to somebody yesterday, one of the people that work in my building, the building that I work at. She was like, oh, you'll do okay. I was like, oh, thank you so much. I love it when people have a deep sense of understanding on what other people might be going through, because I'm one of them people. Because you need that positive advice. You don't need nothing negative. This is why 9 times out of 10 when y'all see me, y'all don't see me hanging out with people, because of the people that I'm starting to realize that I talk to and stuff like that. They're not, I don't think they want to be positive, or either they don't know how to be positive, but that's not my job to show them how to be positive. That shit just happened on your own, you know what I mean? People shouldn't have to give you instructions on how you should be positive. I learned how to do that on my own, and that's it. And I don't need nobody to help me do that, you know? Positive vibes and positive vibes only. This is why I don't be hanging around with everybody that I see. I used to be able to be like, oh, this person's my friend, that person's my friend, but now it's like as I gotten older, I don't do that as much as I used to do it, because I'm starting to realize that everybody doesn't want to be a friend of you. They want to deal with you only because you have something that they want, and then after you can't no longer provide it for them, then they don't want to be bothered. So you got to realize that. It's just like I don't mean to be bragging or anything. I want to explain something to y'all. I used to be I used to be friends with this lady because we was in the shelter together. I'm not embarrassed to say I was in the shelter. There's nothing embarrassing about it. And I was like, oh, such and such is my friend. This, that, and the other is my friend. And I thought she was a decent person. We used to always talk and everything like that. I used to always hang out with her and everything like that. But when it came time to hanging out with me, she ain't want to be bothered. See, that's one of those things I don't like. And then I used to be inviting her to my house and everything like that. And then I used to be like, oh, she's coming over. And then I used to wait for her. No, nowhere to be seen or found. She never came over or anything like that. And I used to be like, again, I don't mean to brag, but I just want to tell you my side of the story from here on. I used to be like, oh, she's going to come over and visit me and this, that, and the other. Never used to come and visit me, but I used to always go to her house. She used to steal from me. And at first I was ignoring it. I don't know. I was one of them people, I was just willing to settle. This is why I hung out with her so much. But it wasn't even worth it. Because ignoring it just made things worse. And then she thought she'd just get away with it. He used to always ask me, oh, how much money you have, and this, that, and the other, and the fourth. I was going to be like, oh, I have such and such and such. Not realizing at the time that she was just plotting and planning, and she was stealing money from me. She used to steal my kid's DVD player. She stole that. She lied about it. I mean, it was horrible. I got to the point where I said, you know what? Fuck it. I ain't going to be dealing with her anymore. And so from here on in, I don't even bother. And then I used to hang out with this other lady that lives in the building I'm living at now. Really not much different. Not much different at all. Just as negative as can be. Everything is negativity. I look forward to being married. Oh, what makes you think you're going to catch the bouquet? I mean, if you catch the bouquet, she said you catch it, you catch it. But you don't know if you're going to get married. 9 times out of 10, you might not get married or something like that. And then I used to be looking at her like, oh, another negative person. Not positive at all. If you don't want to be married again, that's fine, because she was married before. But don't rain on me because I want to be married. I think it's nice. You know what I mean? There's no need for all of that. I would love to be married. I think it's nice to be in a beautiful union with my significant other. But it's not going to be just any old body, you know? It's going to be somebody that where we could share ideas and thoughts, possibly have the same personality. The personality could be just a tiny bit different, but not too much different from my own. I got a nice personality. I'm goofy and all of that. I want somebody. I would love to have somebody to settle down with. Somebody that loves me for me, though, and not want to change me or my ideas, you know. I wouldn't mind somebody like that. But the only thing is, I can't use drugs or anything like that, because that is just not what I'm going to do. It's just too much, you know. I don't want to be bringing anybody negative into my life, and I've known that ever since I've been by myself for so many years. I'm starting to realize that I'm starting to love it this way, because I know that I'm going to get a positive outcome from it, and I know what I like, and I know what I don't like. So, therefore, this is going to be my focus from now on. I'm not gonna focus on negativity, because that's what attracts people to me. When I focus on negativity, now I wind up being with somebody that's just as negative as I am. So my thing now is focus on positivity. Okay, and also, my third topic right now is it's when people be flirting with me, hot ass mess. I sort of like it, but then, you know, after a while that shit gets annoying, you know. I understand you want to flirt with me, but you need to have some common sense and have some kind of self-respect and dignity, you know. I mean, I just got a kick out of that a few days ago when he was doing that. But then I realized that I was like, he can flirt with all of this, but we can't be making this a bad habit, you know. About, oh, you got muscles. I'm looking at him like, where the fuck do I got muscles at? Huh? I want to know. Hot ass mess. That's the guy I was telling you about before when I was complaining about him, how he don't like to do no dishes. Child, let me tell you. He said he did the dishes a few days ago. I thought I was about to pass the hell out in that goddamn kitchen. I was shocked as shit. I was like, oh, could you do the dishes for me? He was like, yeah, I'll do the dishes. I was like, what the fuck? Teamwork makes the dream work. Yes, it does make the dream work, but you don't like doing dishes. And I was shocked when he took them damn dishes and did them shit so fast. I was just running around putting them away. We got up out of there early. I was just so damn happy. You know what I mean? I mean, seriously, I was very happy, because that just made me want to leave early. I sat upstairs and waited for him, you know, and then he got a whole damn wife as well. Hot ass mess. That's what I was saying, you know. So if you have a wife, what the hell are you doing trying to rap to these damn young women for? You're talking about. And then he was showing one of my coworkers something. Next thing you know, she was like, yeah, I saw a picture of him on the dating site. I was like, what the fuck? I said, are you fucking serious? She was like, yeah. I'm like, oh shit. Yeah. But enough of that topic for today. I think that's gonna be enough for today. But remember to comment. Y'all leave a comment down below, because nobody don't be leaving comments and stuff. I want to comment. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about all of this. And I went from one topic to another, but y'all get the meaning of it, because I want y'all to have an interest in what I'm talking about. And remember, let's get this to 100 likes. 100 likes is perfect. Okay, subbies. I appreciate all of y'all and thank y'all very much to taking the time to listen to me. And remember, comment, like, click, share, and subscribe down below. Okay, and ring the bell and ring the bell and ring the bell and okay. Don't forget to comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I don't want people being all up in my business while I'm doing my vlog. Okay? Yeah. Don't forget. Bye. See you later. And ring the bell. Ring the bell. Okay? All right. Bye.